Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you a real-time chatbot built using Angular and .NET Core powered by OpenAI GPT-4o. So let's start from the backend. This is my simple web API project. The controller. In my controller, I am calling method from repository. This repository defined in core folder, and I created an interface there. Name iChat repository and implement service folder. In service, I inject HTTP client and I option to read OpenAI setting. Now about the main method, it accepts string input, set up the API key and endpoints, create a request body and send it to OpenAI using HTTP. Once I get a response, I expect the reply text from it and return that from there. Now run this application. So it's running for 5035. You can see the backend is up. Now switching the client side. So this is my Angular application. I have created a simple chatbot UI in Angular using plain HTML and Bootstrap. There is a chat component. And I have created a service that's called the Backend API endpoints. I have also defined a base URL inside the environment file for cleaner config. Here is the one. Let's run the app and do some testing. So it will open new window. Great. Just check the responsive. Okay. Yep. So that's was a quick demo of my real-time chatbot using Angular, .NET Core and OpenAI GPT-4o. It responds just like ChatGPT with support for plain text, formatted replies, and even code blocks. I hope you found this useful. If you like the project, feel free to contact with me on LinkedIn or check out the source codes. Thanks for watching.